Do you ever have one of those friends that goes a little bit overboard? Maybe you're out partying and all of a sudden they have a lampshade on their head. This is kind of like Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica is my friend in my life that kind of goes overboard. They've got a sale this week coming up here where they've got discounted graphics and they've got discounted fonts. And I'm going to run through those here in a little bit of detail because this is nuts. They're 50% off, 70% off, all the way up to 90% off. So let's jump into the fonts here real quick. We've got 22,000 plus fonts, and they're anywhere from 50% off to 70% off. Now I'll put a link in the video description below for the sale. So you click on the link and you can access the sale here. It is a affiliate link. So that just means if you click on the link and you wind up buying something, I would receive a small commission. I think fonts is the secret weapon in print on demand personally. When you get a proper font, it looks great, it's clean, it really pushes your print on demand design to the next level. And you can see here, there's just fonts and fonts and fonts. So 50% off, 70% off. Let's jump over to the actual discounted graphics. There are 787,000 plus graphics. Now I got a little tip here for you, because one of the things that is a bit annoying, and I'm not going to complain about a bunch of stuff here on sale, but one of the things that's a little bit frustrating is if you're looking for bundles, graphics bundles, it can be a little bit hard because there's no search option inside the actual graphics. You're like, where do I look? So you can kind of look through visually, but you can also just hit the Control F button if you're on Windows, and then you can search for the word bundle. Okay, so to activate that search feature, you're going to click Control F if you're on a Windows PC, and that's going to open up this thing down here at the bottom. It says Find in Page, and now I'll just simply type in the word bundle, and you'll see here it says 2 of 19 matches, and then it starts highlighting the actual word bundle. So then you can click the next arrow or just the Enter key, and you can see here now Halloween Sublimation bundle pops up, and then you can just scroll on through and you can find bundles. It's a little bit of a workaround, but it does work. Even if it's partially hidden, it'll still show up. There's a lot of great bundles here. For example, just this one here, the Mega SVG bundle, $3, and that gets you over 300 designs. There's also a lot of workbooks, journals and workbooks. So if you're on KDP and you're looking for interiors, there's a lot of interior stuff as well. You can just search for interiors or KDP, journals, workbooks. I'll pop this one open here real quick just to show you. So this is KDP Interior Anxiety Journal and Workbook with prompts. Used to be $5. It's now 50 cents, 90% off. And basically what you can do is if this person is making a lot of stuff that you like, you can click on the person's actual profile, and then you can see what else they sell. So I'm going to click on Mary's profile here. And then you can see here she's got KDP Interiors 36. So if you click on that, you can see here this, I can look at the bundles, objects, textures, and then KDP Interiors. So there's KDP Interiors, and it looks like almost everything here is 90% off. So this is just one example where you can go through now and you can find mazes, all sorts of things. I do want to point out, because I know how the internet works, when people hear the word KDP, there is a rule on Amazon KDP that you can't use other people's stuff and just recreate it. You have to make it unique. So these are baselines similar to print on demand that you would use, and you would make your book original. So you would add in clip art, you'd move stuff around. You wouldn't just upload this as is to KDP, but these are great time savers because these are actual pages that you can use, and you can also mix and match these as well. So you can create your own books relatively easily. It still takes a lot of work, but we're talking 100 games with solutions, 10 cents. I mean, that's pretty amazing, right? Okay, so enough talking, it's time for clicking. So if you want access to 22,000 fonts that are on sale, if you want access to 787,000 graphics that are on sale, don't miss out. It's only available August 23rd through August 29th, 2021. And you can just click on the link in the video description below and check out Creative Fabrica. I love Creative Fabrica. Tons of bundles, tons of different things on sale too. Halloween, Christmas, KDP Interiors. These sort of you know, backgrounds and transitional elements. We've got clip art of foxes. We've got the whole shebang here for you. Okay, have a great day, guys. Check it out, and thanks a lot for watching.